Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the complexities of Microsoft Excel or wished you could automate more advanced data tasks? If this sounds like you, it's time to discover the power of AI for Excel.
In this course, you'll learn how to harness the power of artificial intelligence to transform your Excel experience, making jobs like data analysis and data transformation not just easier, but more efficient and accurate.
Hi, I'm Phil.
And I'm Alan, and together we've crafted this course to be your ultimate guide in mastering Excel with the help of AI, regardless of your current skill level.
And don't worry if you're not a Microsoft wizard yet. We start with basic tasks and then build up to more advanced techniques. You'll explore everything from automating routine tasks to creating complex formulas and generating insightful data analysis, all with the help of ChatGPT and other built-in AI features.
By the end of this course, you'll be able to use Excel with ease, saving hours of manual work, automate data analysis and reporting tasks using AI, utilize ChatGPT to enhance your Excel formulas and functions, streamline your data transformation and management tasks for more accurate and efficient results, and leverage AI to make informed, data-driven decisions in your professional life.
These aren't just theoretical concepts, these are practical real-world skills. You'll be implementing what you learn right away and see the power of AI in Excel. And ultimately, these are skills anybody that uses a spreadsheet software like Excel will need to know in the near future.
Throughout the course, we will provide you with hands-on examples and ready-to-use ChatGPT prompts. These are skills you can directly implement in your own spreadsheets, making every lesson directly applicable to your everyday tasks.
If you're not ready to enroll now and get lifetime access to the course and all of our updates, you can watch a free preview to get a sense of what the course is all about and how we teach these skills. We're confident in the value of this class, but if you ever feel hesitant and like you're not getting what you paid for, we have a money-back guarantee.
So what are you waiting for? Enroll now and learn how you can let AI do the hard work for you. We're excited to welcome you to the course.
Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you inside.